Hi, my name's James Jack, solution architect working for Accelrys, and I've put together this quick screen cam to show you the latest draw add-in that I've been working on, which is for reaction enumeration stroke parallel chemistry. So this is how the add-in looks. It's currently running standalone outside of draw. It'll be able to run in a number of different modes, but it will work as a draw add-in as well. So to make it do anything, I need to first of all load in a transformation. So I'm going to open this Suzuki coupling type transformation, just a reaction file, and it scans and sees how many reactants are involved, and it's added 2 tabs for me down here so that I can add reactants for A and B. So to do that, I need to add some SD files. So I go up and import reactants, and I'll choose that one for A, and for B I'll choose the other one. So now I've imported my reactants. There are 4 in A and 3 in B, so we're expecting a Cartesian product of 12 products. Both of these tab views have a detailed view with some properties that are either being calculated using draw APIs or calculated using Cheshire Access part of draw. There's some features that I've not finished yet. There's an exclude option here, which will ultimately become an extra property in the SD file, and it will allow me to track whether the user wants to include this in their enumeration or not. There's also a grid view for both of these tabs. So there's the 3 compounds for B and 4 compounds for A. So without further ado, I'll carry on and show you the enumeration. It's detected that I now have enough SD files loaded to perform the enumeration. It checks each time you add a new SD file to make sure that everything's there is necessary for the enumeration to take place, and that is enabled the button up here. So I can now click on Run Enumeration, and don't blink, it's very fast. It's enumerated the 12 products, and there they are. I can navigate through up here. Again, we're calculating some extra properties, and the grid tracks where I am. I can also click in the grid, and it takes me to the record that I've clicked on. The whole UI is resizable nicely. I can even adjust the amount of space for the grid and the amount of space for the detail pane. In both areas I can make this smaller, make the structure larger, or make the table larger as well. So I think it's working quite nicely. I'll continue adding the features that I've suggested in the community forum discussion, and once it's ready, I'll post it, and it'll be available for download free of charge for any draw user. It does require that Accelrys Draw be installed because it's using certain APIs and features of Draw to be able to do this enumeration. But yeah, I think it's looking quite nice. Okay, thanks for listening.